Alright, we're back in shop. It is cold. It is, I think it's like 8 degrees or something right now. It's terrible. We got this one in here. This one has something in there that's going a little knocky knock knock, but not all the time. So it's not a main or a rod. I'm thinking it's a wrist pin, but we got to pull it apart to find it. Then that one's in here. So got transmission back, which, what did I do with those parts? Oh, planetary gear out of it. You can see the heat marks in it. And then there's something. That one's not the best. And then the bushing that's supposed to be in here is completely gone. So it was a good thing we had it gone through, because otherwise something was going to let go and it probably would have been worse than what it was. So I'm pretty sure most people know how to pull a motor out of a truck, so we might just do a time lapse on this. We'll see where we're at. Alright, so gotta apologize a little tiny bit. Got to working on the square body. Buddy showed up. Next thing you know, we're going back and forth and we're down to this so far. And let's see, there's this one. Focus. See a little divot in there? That means the cam's junk. I thought there was more than one. Yeah, that one's got it too. Focus. There. That one too. That one too. So it's definitely going to need a cam. It does appear to be 30 over, according to that. It does have flat tops in it. I don't have anything to compare them. So I don't know who put this thing together, but if the bolt wasn't rounded off, it was so damn tight that we almost rounded it off getting it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and well, maybe somebody can. I took that front pulley off without taking that bolt out. I could have swore that bolt was supposed to go in after the pulley. So that just, it makes me nervous. I'm glad we're going through it. So it'll be right when we're done. Alright, you guys got cats? Get the buckets with the kitty litter. Get the kitty litter in the buckets because you can reuse it. Not even rocket science. Jim, if you put that in, you're embarrassed. Look at that. Look at that TikTok. Didn't even get oil on here. No. Alright. Try doing this so nice and easy. Everything's in the way. That just didn't seem right. Hopefully I don't have to get it over. This is a new tool. I'm still not used to it. Okay. Here. Wow. wow. Here, you see. Yeah, just okay. Over here. I don't know. That's what it is. There you go. Yes, it's like rooms. Put it on that. Do you go to sleep? How? Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, take the damn thing. I don't have anymore. Ah. This is okay. Anymore. Are you? Can you start to work? Okay. Okay. That was good. Yeah. Just good. All good. Thank you. Alright, so this is what we got going on here. We're through all the bearing surface on there. I don't know where that one went. It's probably down in the bucket. There's most of the bearings. It's just ate through. I don't know if it was lack of oil pressure or what was going on. It had a knock, but it wasn't a steady knock. It would come and go. So I still think it's a wrist pin, but I don't know. So, yeah. It's all apart. It'll be going off to the machine shop to get cleaned up, and then hopefully going back together. Till next time.